Hi, welcome to the file section of the Power PHP training video. In the last session, we discussed handling form data with PHP, as well as looking into the get and the post method for passing data to the server. We also look at the include and the require function in PHP. Now, let's take a quick look at handling files in PHP. The most efficient method to open a file in PHP is using the fopen function. This function gives you more options than using the read file function. Let's take a look at an example. First, I'll create a new file called dictionary. And then save it with the .txt extension. Inside my dictionary, I'll type in random words. Let's save and then go back to my PHP file. To read in my dictionary into my PHP file, I'll declare my variable, my file equals, then the fopen function, which is used to open the file. The file name I want to open is dictionary.txt. And then the mode is read. Now, let me print a message to the screen. Now, let me explain the code. The fread function is used to read the file which I open into the browser when I'm trying to display it. And the fread requires two parameters to be passed into the function: the file name and the length of the file I'm trying to read. To get the length, I'm using another PHP inbuilt function called file size. This will get the length of the size of the dictionary.txt file. And lastly, the fclose is used to close the file which I open up here with the fopen. And lastly, the fclose function will be used to denote the end of the fopen operation. Now, let's save and head to the browser. Now, let's refresh. You can now see that the content of my dictionary.txt file has been loaded into the web browser. With this, we have come to the end of the session on file operations. In the next module, we'll be discussing my SQL database.